guys? I'm out at Bird's Ruins today with my friend Andrew. We are under, let's say Madison's under a tornado warning just a little bit ago. We're not under a tornado warning here. We're fine. It's just a little sprinkly, but it's a bit.
What was the distance to the tee?
I forgot that I was in manual focus mode, so I'm sorry guys, up to this point.
Crazy out. A little windy. I do have the microphones. I'll plug those in here in a minute, but I just want to say hi. I will get the edits of the Roundhouse Farm videos out soon. I wanted to get this out first because this tournament here at Bird's Ruins happens next Saturday, and it is about 6 days or less now. Hopefully I can do some editing on the side when I get home, but thanks for watching. You're in for a fun one, and we'll stop when it gets a little too stormy. Come on, this is the worst the rain's gonna get. Millie's having fun here. We're in the shelter, it's just fine. I mean, it's coming down really hard, but there's no tornadoes out here.
Hey, storms are done. And you can be heard from 200 meters away.
That's a good distance.
Yeah.
That's a very
good
distance.
You can use your indoor voice. You do not have to use your outdoor voice.
All right, I can do that.
Otherwise, we'd blow out the microphones.
We don't want to do that. We don't want to blow up the microphones.
We stayed in for maybe a half hour. Have the course to ourselves. I have camera strapped to the cart if you haven't been able to tell. And we got Miss Millie who ran around and while it rained.
It's gonna be soggy.
Right, let's get over the whole one.
See, anyways, right?
It's two off the first tee, but you're getting both two on film.
Oh, fine. That's why we warm up.
Welcome in. I'm not even sure if it's gonna focus on the screen. Doesn't matter. I'll put it on the screen overlay here anyway. This is the layout we're using, and it's a picture on the U-disc. So shorts, 361, par 4 though, Creek OB.
And that's why we throw warm-up shots.
I threw it like my Wraith, and I shouldn't have.
Like that.
Be a function. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a good spot.
That's what I like to do.
And same spot. We're taking the function. Five shot doubles.
You said we're doing doubles though, right?
5 shot doubles, yeah.
So I can lay up and you can try and go across.
As I jack with this.
Hopefully they didn't roll into the water. You got your grabber handy?
Yep.
I'd go down there and get it, but it's just a little too muddy.
No. Hey, it's not surrounded by water.
Nope. Until I haven't putt yet today.
And it's got to be a straddle.
Terrible.
I don't know if it has to be a straddle. Oh, just deep.
Huzzah.
This is a fairyland. Come on now. All right, we jump up to hole 4 from hole 1 that we just did, and then we took that par, and now we're hole 4 tournament layout. This is 318, we're going to the red.
Oh, it slipped out.
That's nose
It's a
up
little
and
wet.
2 off 2.
We can.
That's his
That
practice
was-
round. This is my only practice round until I can play. That's got some freaking legs.
It's hooking back. Should be to the right of that big tree up there.
I saw it fall, and it's in the it might be near the creek. That's got to keep turning.
I don't think it crossed.
Well, it's deep straight. We'll see.
I think we take this one.
And yeah.
Isa. Nope.
Left. Coming in.
Thank you.
It's par 4, 590, up and to the right. Get to the tree. Be safe.
Yeah, we'll see what happens here.
Did you give the height?
That's crushed.
I think I saw it skip.
Yep, it's crushed.
What do you mean crushed?
Flip for him.
No, it's just straight.
200 feet to pin from this rock, which would have made the tee shot. What was the distance to the tee?
590.
Okay.
I forgot that I was in
300
manual
foot.
focus mode, so I'm sorry guys, up to this point. Hopefully focus will be better now.
350 foot drive, maybe.
What do you throw from here? You're about 150 out. You need to run into it instead of just throw from a standstill.
Yep.
What not do? Okay.
Try the rock. Yep.
Bingo. Bag on. Dog
Bag
hooked
on,
up.
dog pulling. Almost pulled it to the right.
Just came up the hill.
So where's the basket on this one?
I just realized there's water on the lens. I'm sorry. All right, we're having to look at the caddy book a lot. 303, you can't even see where the basket is. You just see the signpost, sorry.
Come back, baby.
Short and maybe only 250.
All right, we'll try the Zeus here.
Okay. Zoosh,
So now this time I need to line up more this way. Like that, but higher.
Nope,
No, I
the wind
gotta
will carry
lift.
it. Oh, you need to go just a little bit further, but you landed on the other side.
Wow, okay. That's cool.
Yep, that's the way. My DD1 made it to a good spot in the open. Circle 2. You see Millie? She's where the Zeus made it. Putting's just fine.
Yeah, you getting some rain again.
Rolling right as it's starting to rain. All right, cover this camera as much as I can as I need to. It's waterproof.
Yep.
Stop.
Yep.
Ooh. See,
Pretty. Nope.
great run.
Yeah, terrible. We.
Pars. It's only 188 feet, but it's, what can you throw straight up the hill that goes 50 feet uphill? the Ascend. I grabbed one of these for a reason. Oh, Tricus.
Those will do.
Yep.
A little flatter, that's in. Ooh, good putt.
Welcome in. Halfway through, we're at hole 7.
This would be 7.
Okay, hole 7, 335. This is down the hill. Unfortunately, our backhands are not going down the hill as we predicted, so forehands. All right.
Much better.
You had to say something.
I mean, it's still,
It's still better than our backhands.
of course it did that. Same tree. And I still hit a tree too. Maybe.
Why not just range forehand right at it?
That too?
Just see how lucky you get to the trees.
Back for him now.
It's not the stasis, which is coming. That will come back.
Yes.
See?
That's exactly what I was trying to do.
Bam.
Almost out of the woods. Then it should get better.
Okay. There is a kind of a flex over that way.
I mean, I yanked it to the right, but yes.
I mean, I went farther than any backhand I've thrown in a while.
Should be up and down for an easy 3 from there.
Paradox. Ooh. Yeah.
Couldn't get the power.
You don't have to shoot. Straddle.
Hell yeah, nice putt.
Heck yeah.
Hey, we got a birdie.
223 downhill. Understaple around the tree.
Just not high enough.
It came out. I mean, mine's short.
You said we're battle putting?
Oh, battle pot for sure. Go on 1, so
Yep, 3, 2, 1.
not that fast.
All right, but it's 3, 2,
Yeah.
1?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I tickled him.
Okay. I turned it like I was trying to do the FD. Okay. 1. And. Nope. Righty.
These bugs are wild.
We're looking at 315. Can't see it. It's up to the left.
Yep. And there's a big tree down there too that it's to the left of. Down. Or just above it. That's probably perfect.
Is that almost. Wow. I didn't get what you said.
Oh, I said it's sad that this tree is dead because it's really, really cool looking. I bet it was magnificent when it was alive.
Look at this shot with the cicada.
Just gorgeous.
So we've got 180 right at it. turn.
Nope.
Oh. I've got the uplink in the middle.
That's a beautiful shot.
There it is. Okay, uplink.
Yeah, we'll take that.
I mean, this is what a practice round is for. We're not putting all these shots in the video, but we're putting the best shot
Gregory
in.
with the tap in. Nice two.
That's how you birdie this one if you want. I'm only throwing like 45 miles an hour, so that's not really very fast. 315. This is hole 13 or 12.
This would be 13. Too high.
In the middle. I'm not going to complain with that, right? And Aiden would say, throw the cloud breaker.
Sounded cool. Good shot.
It is just past the shadow. This was my first shot.
We could take your first one.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, good putt.
One more time.
Yeah, do it again.
Oh, he never flipped. It's a different shot now.
There it is. Buckets.
But you gotta make it now because I flipped it after missing it. Okay.
Ready?
14, 590.
Yeah, it's a doozy. Oh, and I yanked it the fuck out there.
Holy schmoly. I think it's by the tree.
Yeah, it's out there, just way to the right.
It's the long stuff on the right, maybe 15 feet in.
A shot.
Yeah, edge of circle. You can do better.
Nope.
Okay, maybe not, but that was a good throw. Nope, yankeed.
Man, these bugs are insane.
And these bugs are insane.
Nope. Didn't throw it hard enough. Doing.
Oh! How weak do I feel? How much hyzer? That much? Still didn't turn. Okay, straighten that out. No, not Archangel. Holy cow, you're going behind the stuff? Okay. Are you in range or what are you doing?
Tactic, just up and over.
Tactique.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We'll see.
I think that'll be good too.
Both great shots.
Both great shots.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh my God, I suck so much right now.
Just yanky to the right. Let it flip up a little bit. Don't force it. I forced it, but
So that'll putt.
that's circle, edge of circle. Yes, you do. All day.
Too straight. But
Yes,
still
but it's up
in the
there.
fairway.
Okay, I'll try the Roman. Yeah,
Yep, perfect.
if I can do that during the tournament,
That's all you need.
I'll take it. So my Roman, just fine. I can just backhand, forehand from here, but he got farther. It's doubles. A little more.
Super short.
A little wobbly.
Short. Yep. There it is. Good putt.
Oh, practice, practice, practice.
So you have to throw up the middle,
Yep.
but there is a hyzer through this right side.
Yeah, I was just looking at the hyzer, yeah.
Just like that.
That is freaking parked.
Yep. Envy. That's good.
Yep. You're just behind the basket. Good plan.
Sweet round. It was great.
Yep. Going around the bush.
Because there are plenty of bad shots too.
We're not showing those. Don't worry about it.
Ooh, sneaky through the bush.
Sneaky over the bush, hopefully.
Yeah, you're over.
I hope that's enough distance.
And I yanked it. But back. It's over.
Did that come out of it?
Yeah, just two nose up and
But
not the
that's
right.
good if it's nose up because it's got to be able to.
Yeah, it came back.
But our actual first shot, function,
Yep.
cloud breaker, A-okay.
Should I try the range?
Yeah, I'd say the range is the good one.
Say when.
You've been rolling this whole time.
Awesome. I think the range is the ticket.
I think we found the winning approach disc.
Come on back.
That's a nice shot.
What was that?
Take that shot any day.
Hell yeah,
the
for
range.
sure.
Oh, we're gonna go see what his function looks like because we're gonna end this video in the garage pulling discs out of the dye bed. Okay, we've got the glitch. We've got Andrew here as well. You wanna come over here?
Yar.
You're gonna hold the tray as I slowly. Oh, what's going on? No.
Oh, sorry.
No, I need you.
My bad.
Whoa. It's getting there. No, we're fine. We're fine. We're gonna do this in one take, and we're gonna grab the function here in a second. This is. Wait. I say just hold it there. It has a way to.
Yeah. Oh, sick.
You need to take this from me. Take this from me. Plate. Thank you. Nope. Not yet. Okay, that came out pretty cool. It just needs.
That looks pretty neat.
All right, there you go. And that's how you dye a disc. Catch you in the next one.
Sasquatch coming out of the woods.